Another day at the bird feeder. Sarah is the first to arrive, leading the way for her flock to join. The sparrow party is in full swing until, thud, Rusty barrels into the feeder, scaring everyone off. With Rusty gone, sparrows cautiously return. Meet Ivy, a bold female sparrow whose wing knocks the camera askew as she makes her exit. As the sun dips low, the day's final visitor graces the feeder, a female cardinal named Ruby. Ruby, radiant even in the dim light, enjoys a quiet moment as dusk falls on a frosty day.